In this video, we will be reviewing how Accumatic can accurately and efficiently code out your factory parts invoices and produce a ready-to-post result. As a reminder, this process works for all DMSs, and we support all OEMs. The first step is uploading your factory parts invoices that you've downloaded from the OEM website. In this example, I'm uploading one file that contains 149 individual invoices. But this can be multiple files that contain multiple invoices or just one invoice. It's totally up to you. We can do this in bulk. What's happening here as Accumatic loads is that it's parsing through each individual invoice, recognizing the part number, associating that part number with a group or source number, and then based on the group or source number, coding the invoice out to the correct GL account. We can see here that this is an invoice for tires. It's being associated with a specific source number, and it's coding out to a specific GL account. Normal parts, the same thing is happening. For each individual invoice, we're bringing in the inventory entry, and it's offsetting factory payables entry. We can even handle things like freight, shipping, discounts, returns, miscellaneous charges, anything that you see on those factory parts invoices. We can ensure it is coded out correctly to the right GL account so that you don't miss anything when posting these back into your DMS. The last step here to get this information back into my DMS is either copying the result and pasting it into my DMS or downloading a file that contains all of this information and uploading that file into my DMS. Within seconds, I've coded out 149 individual factory parts invoices and all of the things that show up on those invoices. And I've produced a result that is ready to post back into my DMS. We can do this for all OEMs, and we support all DMSs. If you have any questions about what you're seeing here today, or would like to schedule a more personalized demonstration of this process as it relates to your dealership specifically, please don't hesitate to reach out.